Good morning, students. Yesterday we were revising question answers of the new blue dress. We were not able to complete those question answers. So let's begin with the same. Yesterday we have discussed only 5 questions short. So today we will be doing think and answer part. Question number 1. Why did things never change on Gates Avenue? It means you have to tell the reason. What was the main reason that things never got changed in Gates Avenue? What were the main reasons? I'm going to make points. You can pick up all those hints and points and start framing answers in your notebooks. All of you will be writing side by side. Only then it will be give you a good practice of literature. So what were the reasons for not? Yes, take out your notebook and start writing. What were the reasons that did not bring any change in Gates Avenue? Yes. First reason was poverty. People were living below poverty line. They were so poor. Okay. And there was lack of money. This was the reason. Because of lack of money, lack of funds, they were not able to do anything. And moreover, what was the condition of that Gates Avenue, of that society? What was the condition? Yes, it was shabby, full of dirt, full of dirt, full of dirt, shabby. Yes, their standard of living was very poor. Standard of living was poor. And moreover, they were not able to fulfill their basic needs. Not able to. Yes. Not able to fulfill their basic needs. So if they were not able to fulfill their basic needs, how could they think about improving their standard of living? And moreover, there is a main point that there was no encouragement at all. No doubt they were poor. They were living in dirt, dust, but they never put any effort to clean it. They never put any effort to, you can say, remove all those obstacles from their life and to do something in that line. Yes, they were completely hopeless. They were completely hopeless, and in their life there was no encouragement. Yes, they have never thought about to improve their standard of living, and they are living that life. They have been living that life for so many years. Okay, and nobody could encourage them. Nobody could take any kind of initiative. No initiative was taken in their life by anybody. See, I have jotted down so many points in front of you, so you can pick up all those points and start framing answers in your notebook. Afterwards, I can tell any of the student to tell me what they have written. So look at the blackboard. There is no need to copy all the hints. Pick up hints and start framing your answer. Don't waste your time in writing the hints. You just utilize that time in writing the answers. Frame your answers, pick up hints from the blackboard, and you can add up your own ideas also. Okay, students? So start writing. Okay, now Navneet, you tell me your answer, what you have written.
The street looked ugly and was not having any pavement. The people living there were not having enough money to repair their houses. They were living a very dirty life for several years. No one encouraged them to put effort. They were not able and don't have enough money to fulfill their basic needs.
Very good. So she has picked up all the points from the blackboard and she has framed very good sentences. So in this way, dear students, you can frame your first answer of think and answer part because you have to jot down your ideas also. You can tell about your viewpoint. What do you think? What is your perspective? So in this way, you have to frame very long answer. Okay. Now let's move to question number second. We have question number second is, what do you think about the teacher's reaction to the girl? What was the teacher's reaction to the girl? Tell me. When teacher was teaching in the class, what was her reaction towards that girl? When she saw that girl, what did she notice? Tell me. What did she notice in that girl? First of all, she noticed the qualities. The teacher, when the teacher was teaching in the class, she was not looking on the physical appearance. First of all, she noticed qualities of that girl. So what were the qualities of that girl which were noticed by teacher? Yes. Hardworking, and I have told you two another words for the hardworking. Yes, another word for hardworking is laborious. Okay, she was very much dedicated. And which kind of learner she was? What? Very good learner. She was very much inquisitive student. I think I have told you this word yesterday also. Inquisitive means always eager to learn. She was always passionate. She was always eager to learn something new in the class. So these were the qualities, and moreover, that girl was very much humble, polite. These words are given in your book, I think so. So that girl was very much humble, polite to everyone. So these were the points which were noticed by teacher. After that, teacher also noticed about her physical appearance. How was her physical appearance? Hair was, yes, hair was untidy and face was dirty. This thing also, this thing was also noticed by teacher. But after noticing her qualities, yes, wearing same dress, yes, very good point. Wearing same dress for so many days. So from these points, from all these things, it was very much crystal clear that girl belonged to a very, very poor family. That's why she was repeating that dress for so many days. So after that, one point that teacher noticed, what was her perspective? That it is given in your book. What was that? That she was, who spoke this? Very good. She was pretty under the dirt. So that was the perspective. What is the meaning of perspective? It means, yes, your viewpoint. How do you look at one thing and how second person look at that thing, that may be different. So this is known as perspective, the way you look at things. Like my perspective to look at this thing and your perspective to look at the same thing can be different. Okay. So this word you can use in this answer, perspective. So I have added so many points here. You can pick up all the points and you can frame a very, very good answer that her perspective, the teacher's perspective was that girl was pretty under the dirt. So after that, the teacher also took one decision. What was that decision? Yes, she chose only that girl who should be given gift. She did not give gift to other girls of her class. She chose only that girl because she noticed all those qualities in that girl. She also looked at her physical appearance very minutely. She observed all the things. And after that, her perspective, her viewpoint was that she was pretty, but she was under the dirt. So that's why she thought that in order to boost up that girl, in order to increase her confidence level, she should do something for that girl. So what was the planning? What was the gesture? Here you can use the word gesture. So what was the gesture of that teacher? The gesture of that teacher was that she represented her a very beautiful blue dress. So that girl should look pretty, she should look confident, and she should look tidy. She should be presentable. Clear? So with the help of all these points, you start framing second answer in your notebooks. Now, Lavanya, you tell me this answer, what you have written with all these points.
Instead of noticing her physical beauty, the teacher looked at her quality. She found that the girl was very laborious. She was always inquisitive to learn new things. She was humble and polite with everyone. Though she was wearing only one dress for so many days and her hair were untidy too, but the teacher saw the beauty of the girl under the dirt and also gave her a new blue dress.
Very good. Perfect. She has added all the points that I gave you, and her framing of answer was absolutely fine. Now, Manyaveet, you come and tell me what you have written. All of you get ready with your answer. I can ask any of the child.
The teacher was unhappy and shocked to see the untidy and shabby lifestyle of the girl, but she didn't disgust or hated her, but her perspective was that she could notice the pretty face under the dirt. She felt pity on her because of her poverty. She noticed the internal qualities of the girl. The girl was very much laborious and inquisitive to learn. She was a very humble personality. The teacher felt that her students should look neat and tidy and live a healthy lifestyle. So she decided to give her a new blue dress to polish her personality. The girl was really overjoyed to see such a pretty gift and gesture of the teacher.
Very good. Yes. You have added reaction of a girl also, that you can also add at the last. Good. Now, from online students, Tiksha, you tell me what you have written.
Yes, ma'am. The teacher chose only that girl because she has many qualities, like she was hardworking, she was always eager to learn new things in the class, she was humble to everyone but no one was humble to her. Her hair was tidy, her face was dirty. She was wearing same dress for so many days. Teacher all these qualities and demerits of that girl are seen by teacher very minutely, but the viewpoint of the teacher was she was pretty under the dirt and she has many qualities. So she got a gesture to get a new blue dress for that girl.
Okay, good. Good efforts. Now tell me if second answer is clear to you. So shall I move further to answer number third? Is it clear, all of you? Okay. Now let's move to question number third. Question number third is basically, you can say, the summary of the whole chapter, the gist of the whole chapter. What is that? The teacher's gesture not only brought a change in the girl's family but also ended up bringing a change in the neighborhood. Explain. So in this answer, you have to frame short paragraphs. In first paragraph, you have to describe the plight of Gates Avenue. What do you mean by plight? Can anybody tell me what is the meaning of plight? Yes. Who spoke? Very good. So plight means situation or condition. So in first 3-4 lines, you have to tell about the condition and situation of Gates Avenue. Then you have to tell about the initiative taken by teacher. That what did she do for that girl? What did she do? I have told you just now in previous answer. She noticed all those points and after that she decided to give her a blue dress. After that, what was the reaction of mother? And reaction of mother I have discussed yesterday in short answer that she was overexcited. She was feeling on the seventh sky. She was feeling on cloud nine. She became so excited to see her girl wearing a very tidy and beautiful dress. And after that, mother completely changed. What were the activities done by mother? She cleaned kitchen. She brought tablecloth. Okay. And after that reaction of mother, who got impressed? Father. Then you have to tell about the reaction of father. That yes, he watched all the things so minutely. He observed them for several moments. After that, he also took a decision to do something for his family. So he went outside, he repaired fence. After that, he made a garden with the help of his family members. And when father and mother did these efforts, put these efforts, so who got affected? Yes, then you have to tell about the reaction of neighbors. What was the reaction of neighbors? What was the reaction of neighbors? Yes, they started painting their house. Only up to neighbors you have to tell. In this question, only the reaction of mother, father and neighbors have told. And this reaction began from that when the initiative was taken by a teacher. And in brief, you have to describe the plight, condition of Gates Avenue, then initiative taken by teacher, and what was the impact on mother, father, and neighbors. You can frame small paragraph for this answer. Clear? So this is the way to do this question. Clear? So start writing. That should be a very long answer. Okay, Gurupal's answer is ready. Okay, Gurupal, you tell me what you have written in this answer.
First of all, the teacher saw the dedication of the girl towards the study. Then she gave the girl a new dress. She wa- she was looking so tidy and pretty that her mother felt ashamed of untidiness and dirty. When her daughter was so clean, that day her mother started cleaning her kitchen and brought a tablecloth to put on the table and provided a very good and clean supper to her family. The father saw this all this minutely and silently and started fixing the fence. The next day the whole family was painting their house and was repairing their garden. One day when a young minister was crossing the
Oh,
street,
you
he
will
saw
not
two
tell about,
men working for
listen,
the first
listen.
time.
You will not tell about young minister in this answer. You have to tell only the reaction of neighbor. You have to end up your answer
Okay,
by
ma'am.
telling the reaction of neighbor only because this is the question that you have to
when his
tell.
neighbor
Yes,
When his neighborhood saw him, they started painting their own house and repairing their fences.
good. Your answer was good. It was perfect, but there was only one mistake that I have noticed. You have spoken a word dirtness. Dirtness is not a word. They were living in dirt. They were living in dirt. And in the beginning, you have to tell near about 2-3 lines about the plight of Gates Avenue. That would be introductory line. Okay.
Okay.
So you just add those introductory lines. Otherwise, your
Okay.
answer is good. You have written so well, put very nice efforts. Now, what you have written in answer number third?
The teacher was shocked to see her favorite teacher looking so untidy. She was very fond of that little girl and wanted to help her. She knew her plight and did not hate her for that. She wanted to increase her standard of living, so she gifted the new girl a new dress. Teacher's gestures brought a huge impact on the girl's family. Girl's mother and father were so shocked to see their daughter looking pretty and clean. So they decided to become more tidy. Her mother cleaned the kitchen floor
Very good. Perfectly written. Very nicely, she has arranged all the ideas, and very good vocabulary was used by her. And all the ideas were properly arranged. And she has summed up very nicely. Nice. Now let's move to question number 4. In question number 4, it is written, do you believe that you as an individual can bring about some change in your society? If so, how? First of all, tell me yes or no. Do you agree or not? Yes. So to clarify and to make this answer more clear, you can pick up example from the same chapter, that we have a example of this chapter, that only with the gesture of a teacher, mother changed, then father changed, then the neighborhood changed, and after that whole of the society started changing. And the Gates Avenue, nobody was putting effort in Gates Avenue. It was full of filth, it was full of dirt, it was completely a shabby place. Nobody put any effort to change it. But it was only a gesture of a girl to change that girl, but it brought a drastic and tremendous change in that society. But in order to make your answer more impressive, you can take example from your own. That suppose your class is full of rappers. Rappers are here, lying here and there. Okay, papers are lying, broken pens are lying, and nobody is putting any effort to clean it. Nobody noticed it. Okay, so many warnings were given to you, but there was no effect at all of a sudden, if one child gets up and he started or she started cleaning all that, he starts cleaning all that in front of you, so what would be the effect in front of you? You would be impressed, you would be doing the same thing or not? Suppose 40 students are sitting and only one student gets up and he is not on duty. He internally feels that this room is so dirty. Wrappers are lying, papers are lying, chalks are lying here and there, and I should make my room clean. So if he or she puts efforts in front of you, I think 39 will get impressed, and out of 39, they will also maintain cleanliness in their surrounding. And whole of the classroom will look impressive, neat and clean, full of cleanliness. It can happen or not? Tell me. Yes. And when your class will look neat and clean, other teachers enter and they will get impressed and they will appreciate you. So definitely other classes will also put efforts to make their class clean. And what will be the effect one day? That whole of the school will be clean. So whose effort would be there? First, first one put efforts, and there was a chain network, and whole of the school become clean. It happens. You can do this experiment even in your class also. So from that, it is very much crystal clear. Yes, and individual efforts can bring a drastic, tremendous, and huge change in whole of the society. Yes, it depends on the people, but it doesn't mean that we should not put effort. If suppose if whole of the class feels lethargic and lazy, they don't put any effort, so never your class will never get changed. Principal ma'am will be on round, teachers will be coming, they will be scolding you. But if you are not putting an effort, and if you do it only for the duty's sake, so only for some time class will look clean. But if you think, yes, no, if I can keep my house neat and clean, why can't I keep my classroom neat and clean? Suppose you are sitting in your room, you are studying, and your mother or father, they always maintain cleanliness in your house. The children will get impressed or not? They will do or not? I think yes. If mother is doing, father is doing, the children will also inculcate those habits in themselves. They will also doing same things. But if no one is putting any effort in family, so do you think that your family will look clean, your house will look clean? If maid is not working, parents are not working, children are not working, so definitely it will not. You just take an example of your colony. Suppose you beautify the outer place of your house. you plant saplings and plants there, you make it so neat, and when any person passes by, they appreciate that the outer place of this house is so neat, it is beautified. So what will be the effect on neighbors? Some of the neighbors would be impressed, some of the neighbors would be feeling jealous, but what will be the result of all the things? They will also put efforts. Yes, they will also put efforts to beautify their area, and whole of the lane, whole of the street, whole of the colony will look beautiful. And what will be the impression? That whole area would look beautiful. So whose effort is there? An individual effort, single person effort, but it has brought a change in whole of the street, whole of the lane. So you can add up these kinds of examples in your answer, and if you have any another example, you can discuss. I will appreciate those students. So you have to write down all these answers in your rough notebook. Do practice of literature, clear, and pick up all those hints that I have discussed with you. Okay, students?